Hi, I'm Paul Bonner here at Conicelli Honda, and I'm excited to share with you some fantastic service specials that are available to you throughout August. Let's keep your Honda running at its best this summer. Is it time for an oil change? This August, get a conventional oil change for just $54.95. Regular oil changes are crucial to keeping your engine running smoothly. Need new tires? Buy 4 tires and get $50 off, or save $10 per tire. Ensure your safety and performance on the road with fresh, quality tires. Keep your ride smooth and straight with our 4-wheel alignment special for only $110. Proper alignment extends the life of your tires and it improves your handling. Stay safe with our genuine brake pad replacement special for $249.99. Quality brake pads are essential for reliable stopping power. These specials are available for a limited time here at Conicelli, so don't miss out. Schedule your appointment today and let our certified technicians take care of your car. Visit us online at conicelliservice.com or simply give us a call at 888-289-5948. Conicelli Honda, a nice place to do business.